got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo? What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Mookie. And in today's video, I'm gonna be preparing for my birthday. This is everything. This is the behind the scenes. This is everything. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because it's only up from here. Your girl is what? Big 17. My birthday is Wednesday, but today I'm going to find me a dress and stuff and all that for my photo shoot because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. And then tomorrow I gotta call off work. I gotta figure out who's gonna pick up my shift. But yeah. I need to get my nails and stuff done. I want the duck nails. I'll put a little inspo picture of what I want. So yeah, or when I get it. Also I gotta get my toes done. But yeah, so yeah, that's all the stuff that I have to do. Also gotta find me a purse because for my birthday outfit that I'm wearing for school, I want to have like a little cute little pocketbook. So yeah, so y'all, I know it's gonna be hectic because my birthday is always hectic. So oh, I love this one is cute. Them, yeah.
Brother did the sleep, you ain't peep, but you know you beat to me, he beat his meat. I need chicks, I tell that nigga, funky like a day, you carry back to play. I just need the set, cause Johnny got me. Stop playing with him, Ryan.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tight every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate up in the back. Nigga feeling gotta play a
I
cool.
stopped and got some balloons, y'all. So she gave me like, she only charged me for 3 balloons, and I got like 2 extra. She gave me 2 extra, and I got some things sticking in this cake. I gotta go to Food Lion, and I gotta go get my toes done. So I'm finna go probably get my toes done. I was gonna run into Food Lion, but I'm probably not. I'm gonna wait till my mama get off. Y'all, it's 5:53. I go take my pictures at 7 o'clock. Y'all, I am on a time crunch. No makeup, no hair, no shower, no shaving, no nothing. Literally, I got pushed back. Couldn't go get my toes done. Still have to do my toes. I gotta do my toes myself. Y'all. So y'all, what I'm doing, I'm finna go ahead and just about to go take a shower because I'm sweaty. I'm hot. I've been outside washing. Y'all see. Stay tuned. Basically, I couldn't go do all the things I was supposed to do because my dad, like when I was going to get my nails done, my dad had literally came. Like I saw him on his like tow truck, like he had my car or whatever. So like we watched. I just got out of the shower, so now like, that put me way behind. I couldn't do I loosened up and stuff. I'm finna do my wig. So yeah. Y'all, I am running late. Curls undropped, everything. It's just a freaking mess. My lace kind of lifting. It's just dress, everything. My balloons. Sorry, so y'all, I'm tired. I'm hot.
I did it first. I give a fuck. I just want fuck. He's asleep. Love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and ask you with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need your melody. You're like humanity. Only humanity. With humanity.
baby bogus. Brother get the pack and keep the open. Big triple stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't
Done with my photo shoot for about like an hour and 30 minutes. I got home. It was pouring down, y'all. So I just put on my stop. Tired of this dog, bro. Lay the fuck down. I went to cookout. Got me a cheeseburger. And my room looks like a hot mess. It looked like a tornado went through this bitch. Cause y'all, I was literally rushing. Like my toes, they're like they still have a bit of like French tip polish on them, but like they need to be fucking done. So I just wore what look I had like there. Like you really couldn't see in if it's just my toes. So that was good. I didn't wear no makeup to the shoot. I didn't get all glammed up. That didn't happen. But and I didn't get to curl my hair like I wanted to curl my hair, but I'm curling it tonight for my actual birthday. I'm doing me a big, you know, glam beady, little beat. So yeah, but I love the natural face. Actually, it was actually pretty much giving just gloss, and like it was giving. I just added me a little bit of mascara. So yeah, but I'm gonna tidy up my room because it's dirty. And yeah, y'all, literally when I got home like 30 minutes 20 minutes after I got home, he had sent me the edited pictures. I say, yeah, you're the goats, you're the goats, you're the goats. Like literally, he made me feel so comfortable. Shout out to him. I will link all his stuff down below. Literally, he's literally the GOAT when it comes to doing that. Like, he makes you feel so comfortable. Literally, hands down, the best. That's my first photo shoot, and it definitely won't be my last. Hello. But, yeah, you guys. Pin curled my hair. Now what I'm about to do is do my makeup. Y'all, and I burnt myself, and it hurt so bad. So I'm finna go ahead and do my makeup. Y'all already seen me do my makeup. But, like, yeah, this is just like a little mini vlog. Y'all, I'm going to get this haircut. So now what I'm finna do, I done ate at Longhorn. My birthday been alright.
See, me and Kim tight with me now. She tight with me.
Young nigga move that
She
dope.
know if I said no, my
Y'all, please do not mind my wig. I know it was fun, but please do not mind it because I got rained on. It was a lot going on.
Move that dope, hey, move that dope.
won't get no tattoo. Tell her Kim we said no, she wasn't getting down there.
I should have gotten another.
I don't care what your birthday is. You so you might.
17.
Yeah, you look right. I can't believe it. Kim, you ain't gonna have one more in school. That's it. Yeah. Look at him. He ready to graduate.
No, I'm getting hot.
See, you ready to graduate. Oh, you can't do that.
Let me get a breather. Let me get a little countdown.
You can't do that. And you got to be still.
Last night he kept on walking. She couldn't even do her house. Okay. So then Whitney, she gonna say, shut up.
No, you said okay. Yeah, You just feel the little boy.
Feel like a cut.
It really don't hurt. I can stop fasting that
You going too deep.
You don't go deep. You don't even go deep in your skin. She said you're going deep. You just scratching. Well, you better not leave that on me. Exactly. That's right. Say, get all up in his face. Get all up in his face. You don't know what people do. She been wanting that experience.
Maybe it's just the area.
Area nothing. It's on all of them. I don't care where you want it at. And everybody.
AP on my wrist, ain't accepting apologies. So much pride, you ain't gotta be proud of me. I'm a dog, you don't gotta lie to me. Feel like Pookie, that money keep calling me. Came along and from shopping at Dollar Tree. She keep swallowing, that's why I don't gotta see. Vaseline, she dug out, you gotta see.
We done?
Like, look like a bruise. You made it through your first one. How you feel?
I mean, I got used to it, but when you started getting at the end, that last part, that was hard. That was really hard.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Look in the mirror before I
I don't know, it's a little big.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You know what I'm saying? It's a little big.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. Look, Mom. You know, that's cute.
You gotta put some of that stuff on it.
I did it. I did it, y'all.
You did good for your first day.
Look at y'all. My birthday has came to an end. It is currently, what time is it? It's currently 10:33, so yeah, it's about to be over. But I had an amazing birthday, you know. All of my friends, like, they hyped me up, they made me feel good. My parents, special thank you to them. Also, I got a car, I done took some pictures. I did not vlog like that, y'all. Like, stuff did not go as planned, like, as I wanted it to. But it's okay. I'm just grateful, and most importantly, I thank God for letting me see another year. Like, literally, I'm just glad, you know, that I could live to see this birthday. So even though stuff didn't go as planned, I still got the main things I wanted: the tattoo, the card, the photo shoot. So all the other stuff, that's just little stuff. I just need to learn how to just not focus on stuff like that. But yeah, so anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna give y'all a little recap and a little edit and stuff like that. But I love you guys so look, I love you guys so much. Like, the tattoo. Oh, also, let me give y'all the pain. If once again, camera just died. But anyway, y'all, what was I about to say? Yeah, the tattoo, I get a pain. It was tolerable. It hurt, but it was like, I could tolerate it, like, when it got more into it. Like, at first I was like, let me tap out. But the more he kept, like, doing it, that's when it started to hurt. But when he got ready to finish and, like, he started doing underneath there, that's when it started hurting. I was like, okay, let's be done. But yeah, I get a pain like 8.5. Like an 8. I'm gonna say 8. A good 8. A cool 8. It did hurt, I'm not gonna lie. But also, this is not a hickey, this is a burn. But because I know some of y'all might try to play me. But anyway, yeah, that's all I really have to say. I love you guys so much, and thank you for I love you guys so much. Thank you. I love y'all so much. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe as well. Oh my God, Ian.
If you wanna leave me,